Hello guys, what's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are seeing my face for the first time, my name is Mommy Show Love TV. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Akwa State. But if you're an existing subscriber, I'm still your sister from another mother, Show Love TV. I love you guys. So in today's video, as you can see, look at my side, look at these beautiful faces they are here. I'm currently in Ebenebe, Akwa. I've never seen St. Lee's vegetable soup. So now, as we are cooking it, after cooking, we decided to eat. They now gave me, and look at them. Look at I'm even talking and she's wiring her mouth because she's anxious to start eating while I'm still doing introduction. This food is very special. This food is like Akwa. When you come to Anambra State, if they are doing any event, if there is anything they are doing, if they give you Akwa, know that you are special. So this native soup, this native vegetable St. Leaf soup is their native, and if you come to their place and they give you this food soup, it means they regard you as VIP. So I want to start eating first because I'm very hungry before I will start asking them questions. Look at me, I'm washing my hand. She did not wash her hand. See my hand though. I forgot to pray. Amen. Auntie, you say you don't want to. She's the one that cook it too. She said that now that she just finished cooking, that she cannot eat now. It's later. So me, you have your own now. Why not eat your own soup?
No, I want to join you.
Eat your own soup. No, madam. Madam, eat your own soup. You want to finish your soup.
I want to examine. I want to carry it.
No, nah, you won't do that. Please, let everybody eat it. You can eat my food.
So I will examine.
You can eat my food. Eat your soup. Eat my soup. Eat your own. Guys, can you imagine? This is native St. Leaf vegetable soup. It's too delicious. Guys, easy. She wants to use my own soup. I said no. You can go on my own fufu, but if it's the soup, no. Please, you guys should come and join me. This is anytime you hear native something, just trust that thing. It's always special.
She don't want anybody to come and join her. Eat alone and die.
I agree. No, I will not die alone.
Nobody will die, but don't throw away our food though. But you want to eat. You see? I'm enjoying it. Hey, guys, see. When they started cooking,
come and taste it.
When they
I'm coming, I will
cooking
go because
and I said,
I'm enjoying the soup. I'm coming.
I was just looking at her. On a second thought, I went close to her. I started asking her questions. It was when she told me the kind of soup that she wants to cook. That was when I started filming. You know, as a content creator, I always with my camera wherever I go.
Wow.
See guys, I'm not doing it because I'm on camera, no. Guys, look at the soup. Very thick. Can you see it? To show you how special this soup is. Look at it.
Don't do anything.
Come and eat now. Guys, come and eat.
Mommy, show love, no vessel. Why are you using your two hands?
Because this soup, I was supposed to use 2 hands. You never see people that are eating like this. With 2 hands.
No.
I beg you guys should not mind me, my eating.
All they use
Honestly,
2
I'm
hands.
just telling.
All they use 2 hands when they mola where side, where the other side.
Oh no.
Makautofe.
Makutofe.
I'm now when you know, see, join I taste over you go see. Open the when it is here.
No more you
Taste and see. You call us. Why I undibo. This is nchia with leaf. You understand? With water leaf soup. This mama show love. Oh, cholo ko maloko osia to makono do belly before. You want test it? That is why I put small.
Guys,
mama show love.
That time I was telling you to give me enough.
Yes, but I want you to something where you never test before. I will give you small now so that you will taste it. If you like it, then I will add more. You understand? So how do you see the soup?
wow.
You are asking me.
As we are eating the soup now, this
Bible
is
say,
how do you see it?
Bible say, by their fruit you shall know them.
All right.
The way they scatter body and the way I'm eating,
Wow.
doing myself,
Wow.
molding my apple.
Okay. With the two hands.
With two hands. Can't this tell you that I'm okay with the soup?
No, everything is okay.
Guys, see,
I'm happy.
I'm not doing it as a content. I'm just telling you guys the truth of the matter. You see this soup? Soup that you cannot see water. Look at it now. This soup is so special. That is the reason why I set up my camera. So special. Vegetable, this St. Leaf vegetable soup. I never see this kind of thing. I never see this kind of soup.
I never see this kind of soup. Mama love never see it.
Yes, so.
So Mama show love. How things they happen?
Wow. Guys, as you can see, I'm busy eating my food. Because I like food. See as I fat now. I like food. This is my best soup. For my Ebenebe, if you come to Ebenebe, if Ebenebe people want to welcome you very well, we will cook for you. No. We enjoy it very well. Since I'm enjoying busy eating my food, I've been talking, saying something, but I'm busy eating my own food. Let me tell you guys, you need to eat this St. Louis soup.
She has finished her own.
Wow. I like food. As a fact now, after this soup, I like it very well. My best soup.
But remember saying, no be Ebenebe people cook am.
Wow.
I from Oba.
It's Ebenebe. No mind her.
No mind this woman.
No mind her. It's for
They
Ebenebe.
just invite me.
And they don't see you.
I should come and cook
How will
for
they
them.
cook am? Leave
Then
am.
I'm the one that doing it.
It's a lie.
I'm from Oba.
From Ebenebe.
Okam North local government.
My sister. They don't want to cook it.
No. You didn't. I'm not from Ebenebe.
From Ebenebe.
No, I'm from Oba, guys.
It's a lie.
Oba family.
No mind.
Those people that are making lies.
It's a lie.
Rice, yam, cocoyam. You understand? When you come my area, guys, food today. I say na Chineke na chọrọ anyị mma because again na Chukwu ji nni wee gozie anyị bụ ndị ọkpa. Oba family. Oka North local government area. Now guys, come my area, you will see. I will surprise you with this soup.
Wow.
Don't mind this lady.
It's from Ebenebe.
It's a
No
party
mind her.
program. The first brother married. I come and cook St. Leaf. This second one again now. The brother from Ebenebe come to my place to Oba to tell me to come and cook again.
Wow.
You understand? My name is
Makarisia.
Ngozi. Makarisia.
Makarisia.
They call me Miri Ewilo. When you come my area, ask
Mamicholo.
Ngozi Miri Ewilo. They will tell you. That's my name, oh. I'm the one that prepared this soup. Now make my sister fat. Now our mama here using two hands because of she just like the soup. You never saw this kind of soup before. You just hammer the soup, hammer it. Mama show love.
I want to tell you guys something. See, on a serious note, this one is not that I'm creating content. No, I'm not joking. I'm just telling you on a serious note, just the truth. You see this soup. I've been eating soup, but this is the first time I ate this kind of soup, and this soup is something else. I wish you can test it, cook it in your house. Me, I will try it if I get home.
Try to try it. Try it, you see.
I will try it because the soup is, oh my God, I don't know how to explain. Very sweet and it's natural. They didn't put anything, you know, it's natural native soup, because I've never heard of using scent leaf to cook scent leaf and water leaf to cook vegetable. This is my first time. Look at my plate now. I'm not a longer throat, but I eat it very well with. Guys, let me show you guys another thing. Look at this kind of apple fufu. I finished one.
Because you like the soup.
Because I like the soup. So guys, if you are watching and you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be notified. So thank you, and please thank my sister in the comment section. We are done for today. I love you when you share this video and like my video. So turn on your notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Thanks for watching. I see you in my next video. For now, and I say bye guys.